Hello, I'm Nigel Ewell, Senior Director of Product Marketing for Enterprise Performance Management at Oracle. I'm joined today by Rich Wilkie, who's Senior Director of Product Management for Oracle.
Awesome.
Particularly for the financial close product. And Rich, I know we've got a new cloud product, account reconciliations cloud service, and maybe talk a little bit about what that does for our customers.
Great. So, account reconciliation cloud service really solves a big problem for our customers. And one of the number one problem during the close is really around reconciliations and just closing that part, any errors that are found with that. So it's really important for people to have a good compliance framework to do their reconciliations.
And it's not just about compliance, is it? It's also about the fact that there are a lot of them, and actually you don't want to be dealing and touching all those account recs, right?
Right. It's truly a very manual process for a lot of customers. You're trying to make sure that you capture all of the accounts. You're making sure you've got the right formats to get those reconciled. We have the right people, the right approvals, and any mistakes that happen in that process can really lead to truly material errors.
Right.
And so that's why so many customers are coming to us looking for a solution just like Account Reconciliation Cloud Service.
And the big thing that we know from customers is that what they're achieving is a lot of automatic reconciliation.
Right. So we have this feature called automatic reconciliations. Easiest way to understand is like a zero balance reconciliation. Today, traditionally, you have accountants opening spreadsheets, doing those reconciliations, actually going through the process, when the reality is the software can do it for you all the way through sign-offs, approvals, etc. Traditionally, I think some of our customers were seeing like 25-30% of their overall accounts are being auto-reconciled. So it's really a material impact for them from a cost and time savings.
Okay, and the other thing, of course, is that there are a lot of people involved in this process. So actually managing the process itself is really important, getting that workflow right and getting the approvals right and so on.
Yeah, we have this awesome dashboard capabilities where you can go on at any point in time and actually see what's done, what's not done. Do we have any errors in the system? Are people late? So you have this capability to understand at any point in time what's happening, and the system manages all of that workflow. So it's really keeping track of everything for you.
Yeah, and of course the other thing is that you've got a record of everything that's gone on as well. So when it comes back to auditing, to controls, to Sarbanes-Oxley, all that stuff, you've got all the right measures in place. You can prove everything you need to.
Yeah, the auditors love it, right? Because they don't have to go all around the world and look at reconciliations in different locations. It's a centrally managed system. They can audit the system. We can produce fully audited results showing everything. So it really produces benefits all over from the entire process for our customers.
And of course, the last thing I think we should talk about is that it's not just for Oracle EPM customers, right, or even Oracle ERP customers, right? Anybody can get real true benefit from this.
Right. It doesn't actually matter what your source systems are, where the accounts are coming from. That's one of the great things is we can bring in balances and do reconciliations for any type of system. And so that's one of our strengths really, is that we're truly agnostic to the solution. But if you're an Oracle customer and you've got eBusiness Suite or PeopleSoft or any of those, absolutely we have tight integrations with those. We can just bring in other balances as well.
Right. So and of course being in the cloud, it's like it's a standalone, but integrated to whatever you've got. So it's a really nice, easy win in terms of great time to value from implementing a financial product.
Right. I mean, we come pre-shipped with all types of formats, best practices for doing reconciliations. We have all the integrations to the data sources. So it really comes down to just identifying users, accounts, and going out and building out that process. You can be up and running quite quickly on this and really getting that value right away.
And we're seeing that from customers?
Yeah, honestly, the product has been out. We're getting a ton of great traction, lots of successful customers. All of our events, we have people coming and talking to them. So it's great to get that validation of the solution by the actual customers telling us all of their successes.
Rich, thank you so much for sharing all that with us. Good to talk to you. Talk to you again soon, I hope.
Great. Thanks, Nigel.
Thank you for joining us.